Hey folks, this is Mark Kelly once again with Inbound Revenue, here to talk to you about the second in a series of 6 or 7 videos about how to sell PPC for your agency, how to sell Google Ads to your clients. So I'm going to refer to my notes a couple of times here, but the things that I wanted to talk about in this second video are when it comes to selling Google Ads and you don't have any experience, you're an SEO agency or a design agency, it's not really your thing. The thing that you can do in lesson 2 is lean on us for our knowledge, our experience. So I'm going to cover 3 areas though. So inbound revenue, first of all, you can talk to us pre-sales before you have before you sign the client. Talk to us about expectations, budgets, things like that. So that's the thing. The other thing that we have that you probably don't have, because we've been doing this forever, I've been doing it for 20 years, is we have a knowledge of the niches. We're going to know which niches work really well, which ones don't, and which ones are a big question mark depending on their location, the specific services. And that's important because you may say, I've got a landscaping client, but they only want commercial jobs of over $40,000 a year. I'm going to be able to advise you on things like that. You can also find tons of information on the YouTube channel, so please subscribe to it and watch the videos. So knowledge of niches is a huge thing. We've got our fast launch niches that we know perform well almost all the time. You can focus in on those niches, find a niche or two, really go after them, build your business. The second thing is we've got processes. We've been refining these processes in 10 years of running inbound revenue. We know what we're doing. We know how to launch a campaign. We know how to build a campaign. We know how to set up conversion tracking. We know how to optimize a campaign. We know how to manage things behind the scenes with our project management tool and all the other tools that we use, thousands of dollars on tools every month that we spend here. So we've got processes, and you probably don't. Even if you're a Google Ads person, you probably don't have the processes. Part of my background in corporate IT and the corporate world and in IT itself was process improvement. So it's a huge sub niche of knowledge that you might not have, and you probably don't. And if you have processes, it doesn't mean they're the right processes. So lean on us for knowledge of the niches, pre-sales, processes, and finally results. The number one thing that's going to keep your clients with you, if you set expectations right from the beginning, is getting them results. We get results almost all the time. Very few niches, unless it's something you brought to us and it's a custom campaign and we don't know whether that niche will work. You want to sell red monkey shoes? I don't know. We'll give you a shot. We're not going to do it as a fast launch. We're going to charge you more because it's some unknown quantity and we're going to have to do a lot of work. But if you come to us for your basic, the 40 or 50 niches that work super well, a good e-commerce business or something like that, we're going to get you results. We're going to get you more results than you do, and we're going to get them faster. So those are the things I wanted to cover in lesson 2 of selling Google Ads to your clients. Lesson 3 is coming right up. So talk to you guys again soon.